More than 9 billion Wi-Fi devices are in use worldwide, and demands on Wi-Fi networks will keep increasing, with new, ultra-high throughput and low latency applications proliferating by the day. This is where Wi-Fi 7 comes in. The 7th generation of Wi-Fi technology, Wi-Fi 7, also known as 802.11be, works on all 3 frequency bands. This new standard features extremely high throughput, up to 46 gigabits per second, which is 4.8 times faster than Wi-Fi 6 and 13 times faster than Wi-Fi 5. It also includes advances that reduce latency, increase capacity, and boost stability and efficiency. If you're struggling with buffering, lag, or congestion, Wi-Fi 7 will be your solution. Whether you're a smart home enthusiast, a gamer, or a professional, you too can experience the most cutting-edge wireless technology. Building off previous Wi-Fi standards, Wi-Fi 7 introduces 320 MHz ultra-wide bandwidth, 4096 QAM, multi-link operation, multi-RU, preamble puncturing, and 16x16 MIMO to provide massive improvements in speed. Throughput has been doubled, with the maximum bandwidth increased from 160 MHz to 320 MHz. To further enhance peak rates, Wi-Fi 7 adopts a higher order modulation scheme, 4096 QAM. This packs 120% more data for higher speed. The new multi-link operation mode allows aggregation of 2 or more channels from any available frequency band. This enables devices to simultaneously send and receive data across different frequency bands. In addition to further enhancing spectral efficiency, Wi-Fi 7 supports multi-RU management, allowing multiple resource units to be assigned to a single user. Meanwhile, with preamble puncturing, widened portions of bandwidth can be transmitted regardless of interference. Now, every available piece of the spectrum can be used, raising overall network efficiency. Finally, Wi-Fi 7's 16x16 MIMO technology supports 16 streams to transmit data volume to multiple clients at the same time. With all of these, Wi-Fi 7 will serve as the backbone for streaming, voice conferencing, cloud gaming, smart homes, industrial Internet of Things, the metaverse, telemedicine, and more. These exciting enhancements and major lifestyle changes are made possible by Wi-Fi 7's innovative technologies. More scenarios than you could ever imagine will be unlocked. All these breakthroughs will help the digital age to enjoy even more eye-opening experiences. Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi like never before.
What is a link? A best friend. A bridge. A bond. Make the link happen. Link your home to the world. Link opportunities to value. Link needs to solutions. Link life to convenience. Link property to security. There's always a link. TP-Link, founded in 1996, has become a leading global provider of consumer enterprise ISP networking, surveillance, and consumer electronics. TP-Link consumer network products are well-renowned, being the #1 provider of WLAN devices for 11 consecutive years and #1 in customer satisfaction. TP-Link is also a first-class enterprise network provider with Omada and Viti, providing a one-stop solution for enterprise networking, surveillance, and intelligence. Consumer electronic brands Tapo and Casa operate in lighting, sensor, and 13 other markets with focus on home security cameras and consumer robotics. For bringing stable and high-performance product experiences to users, TP-Link maintains independent R&D, independent manufacturing, and independent marketing. There is a number of TP-Link R&D centers around the world, with over 5,000 R&D staff and over 60 labs covering 4,000 square meters. Rigorous testing standards and comprehensive testing procedures deliver reliable products to users. TP-Link is one of the world's largest network and communication equipment manufacturers. TP-Link maintains building production bases all over the world, China, Vietnam, and more. 71 SMT production lines and CNC machining accuracy to 0.005 of a millimeter. Products are sold in over 170 countries and regions. TP-Link has self-built 3 call centers globally, supporting 7 languages and providing 24/7 customer service. We empower our clients to gain professional-grade products and sales knowledge. Pursue excellence and explore possibilities. TP-Link is actively engaged in technology research and implementation, artificial intelligence, big data, digital twins, cloud computing, machine learning, and more. TP-Link is committed to creating reliable products and technologies to link global users to a better life.
Good morning. Welcome to join us at the TP-Link Wi-Fi 7 product launch event. At TP-Link, we are so fortunate to be surrounded by people who strive to innovate together and create products that everyone trusts for their high performance. Today, we will show you the world's first full home and enterprise Wi-Fi 7 products, including Wi-Fi 7 routers, Deco mesh products, Omada enterprise access points, and Aginet products for internet service provider markets to cover all kinds of networking needs. Every one of our products has undergone a comprehensive and deep optimization in design from the bottom up, backed by rigorous testing and independent manufacturing.
And now, finally, all of that will be yours to experience.
This includes the high standards of our hardware selection and the high depth of our in-house components research, all ensuring the quality and value of every part. Inside any product, you'll find a self-developed system board and other components, from antennas and power supplies to small connectors such as network ports. A large number of parts are self-developed and produced. 8 independently developed software types are perfectly integrated into every product. Algorithm design, coding implementation, cloud services app, and open API are all seamlessly completed by our full stack self-development capability, from core to cloud. Our products really go through the ringer. We have 12 test types, over 400 test bed, and over 400,000 test cases, all with strict standards and long durations. This includes performance tests, reliability tests, compatibility tests, stability tests under high load extreme working conditions, and UES 24/7 fault-free tests. We even select different households in different countries and regions to trial and simulate actual scenarios that our customers will face. We strive to make sure every product has high performance that everyone can trust. These products are manufactured in-house and go through over 100 production and quality inspection processes. Finally, we conduct a reliability test for the product, which prepares it for shipment and safe use in homes. TP-Link's quality control is at the highest level in the industry, with one of the lowest rates of defective wears and returns. After these production and inspection procedures and the reliability test, the product is finally off the assembly line. And now, after we're going through all the above processes, TP-Link's first Wi-Fi 7 router has arrived. Continuing the top performance of our Archer series, Archer BE900 has the highest quad-band 24 gigabits per second Wi-Fi 7 speeds and comes with a brand new design, totally reimagined from previous routers. Behind the Wi-Fi 7 router's brand new casing is its powerful core hardware, which includes its CPU and antennas. The antennas are a key part of performance. Archer BE900 is equipped with 12 of them, providing 16 streams to clients simultaneously. All are optimally positioned and internal. The high-performance antennas are placed in an independent room and come with proprietary Wi-Fi optimization for the best performance without needing further manual adjustment. We've optimized the antenna layout to match their frequency band patterns. This improves the isolation between the frequency bands and reduces the interference between the bands. All antennas are designed with a high-gain structure and low-loss material to ensure high gain and high efficiency for strong and reliable Wi-Fi signals over larger areas. Also, the 5 GHz antennas are specially designed to be placed at an inclination of 15.1 degrees. The horizontal coverage of Wi-Fi is ensured, and the 3-dimensional coverage of the antennas was also optimized. All of these designs achieve the effects of high gain, high isolation, high integration, and multi-directional coverage. The 12 internal antennas generate powerful quad-band Wi-Fi 7 across your home, with Wi-Fi speeds reaching up to an eye-watering 24 gigabits per second. The 24 gigabits per second Wi-Fi consists of over 11,000 megabits per second on the 6 GHz band, nearly 6,000 megabits per second on two 5 GHz bands, and over 1,300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. The brand new 6 GHz band never overlaps or interferes with other bands in older devices. This means a congestion-free frequency that offers more bandwidth, faster speeds, and lower latency. Because the 6 GHz band is relatively new, and it will take some time for more 6 GHz clients to hit the market, we landed on having dual 5 GHz bands. This way, the relatively few clients that support the 6 GHz band won't be the only ones to enjoy higher speeds. Now, more clients can connect to 5 GHz to get higher throughput. The powerful quad-band Wi-Fi speeds surpassing 10G are powered by Wi-Fi 7 technology. 320 MHz channel, 4K QAM, multi-link operation or MLO, multi-RU, and preamble puncturing offer faster Wi-Fi speeds, lower latency, stronger anti-jamming, and higher efficiency. Wi-Fi is only one important part of routers. Wired ports are another. 10G Wi-Fi of the Wi-Fi 7 router combines with 10G wired connections to take us into the true 10G era. Archer BE900 is equipped with one 10 gigabits per second SFP fiber and RJ45 Ethernet combo port, and one 10 gigabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port. Simultaneously, The router is equipped with 4 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ports and 1 gigabit Ethernet port, offering more flexibility to your wired connections, both with WAN/LAN functionality. The fiber port makes 10G fiber from your ISP a reality. What can we do with 10 gigabit Ethernet and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet? Well, we can have a LAN party, home entertainment, small and home offices, or even instant transfers for workstations. For example, the 10 gigabits per second WAN/LAN port is 10 times faster than a traditional gigabit port, enabling the downloading of a 30 gig Blu-ray movie in 27 seconds. Downloading and streaming video with little to no delay is certainly important for home networks, but ease of use is something that's often neglected. We've designed Archer BE900 to be more than a powerful Wi-Fi 7 router. For starters, it's equipped with an LED screen and a touchscreen. With the LED screen, it can display real-time weather, time, text, and even emojis. Choose your favorite graphic from your Tether app, maybe an X or a funnel. The router is more than just a router. The touchscreen increases the ease of managing the router. Touch to change the screen's display, such as to the real-time 10G speed, which lets you know your current bandwidth usage at a glance. We've even added a tilted edge that features touch-based controls. With the Tether app, network setup and management could not be simpler. You can manage various types of devices from anywhere at any time, or customize and choose the display shown on the LED screen to increase the fun. Apart from the wireless and wired 10G speeds, Archer BE900 also supports OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP VPN clients and servers, and can create VPN connections without installing VPN software on every device in a home. The Wi-Fi router is also Easy Mesh compatible, meaning it can work with another Easy Mesh router or range extender to further form your whole home multi-gigabit mesh Wi-Fi. BE900 also supports setting up a separate Wi-Fi for IoT devices and overlaying HomeShield to better protect the security of your home networking and IoT devices. Well, that's our first Wi-Fi 7 router, Archer BE900, an amazing, elegant router with 24 gigabits per second quad-band Wi-Fi, 2 10 gigabit ports, and 4 2.5 gigabit ports, an ease of use LED screen and touchscreen, Easy Mesh compatibility, and HomeShield functionalities. We also noticed the specific networking needs of gamers who care more about latency and stability. Today, based on the previously acclaimed gaming routers and our new Archer gaming system, we're launching a brand new Wi-Fi 7 gaming router. Continuing the top performance of previous Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5 gaming routers, Archer GE800 is TP-Link's first Wi-Fi 7 gaming router with true 10G, true acceleration, and true gaming. It adopts tri-band Wi-Fi 7 speeds up to a stunning 19 gigabits per second. The gaming router has one 10 gigabits SFP fiber and RJ45 Ethernet combo port and one 10 gigabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port. Both offer WAN or LAN functionality. The router is also equipped with two 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ports and 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, making LAN parties accessible and fast. More importantly, as a gaming router, Archer GE800 upgrades our gaming features. Based on the functions of Archer System version 3, we've added Game Center to Archer GE800 with focus on what pro gamers care about: accelerated gaming experience, extremely low latency, and wired level reliability. This, with a wide range of tools, will help you win more. Today, we're giving multiple means of acceleration to reduce latency. A brand new game panel lets you see the final acceleration results and customize your gaming atmosphere with seamless LED color adjustment. The router accelerates your game streams and reduces latency to ensure your gaming stays immersive by accelerating game applications, game devices, and mobile games with game servers acceleration by WT-Fast GPN. The router accelerates game streams to ensure your network runs faster than your reaction speed. With QoS, it prioritizes and accelerates your game applications to run at full speed, even on a crowded network. Now, someone in your family downloading large movies won't affect your gaming streams anymore. The gaming port function enables the traffic of the game device connecting to the 2.5 gigabit LAN gaming port to be automatically prioritized. Its local network and internet traffic will take precedence over the rest. We're collaborating with WT-Fast and inserting it into the router for game server acceleration. Minimize game ping and lag. The router provides a global latency-sensitive proxy overlay network and secures the shortest possible path based on real-time measurements and AI. With middle-mile optimization, it provides faster and smoother connections. All kinds of popular games are supported, such as Call of Duty, Valorant, Madden NFL, and GTA 5. Besides all of that, for mobile games, we've added exclusive mobile game acceleration to the Tether app to achieve one-click acceleration for mobile gaming. Game acceleration doesn't stop there. A dedicated gaming band is also ready for your game rigs. The dedicated gaming band makes your online games run in the fast lane without having to compete with your family's Netflix 4K streaming. The gaming band of the Wi-Fi 7 router is 20% faster than Wi-Fi 6 gaming routers and 2.7 times faster than Wi-Fi 5 gaming routers. With abundant game acceleration functions and a gaming band, Archer GE800 prioritizes gaming over everything else. Say goodbye to latency. Apart from the Ultra Wi-Fi 7 router, Archer BE900 and Wi-Fi 7 gaming router, Archer GE800, we are also releasing two other Wi-Fi 7 router products, Archer BE800 and Archer BE550. Archer BE800 is a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router with up to 19 gigabits per second Wi-Fi, two 10 gigabit ports, and four 2.5 gigabit ports. In order to let more people enjoy Wi-Fi 7 technology, Archer B550, a mid-end Wi-Fi 7 router, is launched. Archer B550 is a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router with up to 9.3 gigabits per second Wi-Fi speeds and comes equipped with 5 2.5 gigabit ports. This product at this level is ideal for many households to enjoy the easy and powerful Wi-Fi 7. It's also Easy Mesh compatible to easily form a whole home multi-gigabit mesh Wi-Fi with other Easy Mesh products. OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP VPN clients and servers are supported. Separate Wi-Fi for IoT devices, HomeShield for enhanced security, and parental controls are also offered. Deco has been aiming for high-quality and high-end network solutions. Since its launch in 2016, Deco has been well loved by global customers, whether in the Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6 era, with its beauty, powerful performance, and reliability. Now with the latest technology Wi-Fi 7, the industry's fastest mesh Deco BE95 comes with a quad-band maximum speed of 33 gigabits per second Wi-Fi and 10 gigabit ports. It's designed to be exquisite and elegant. Its speeds of up to 33 gigabits per second are made up of 4 frequencies, including two 6 GHz bands, each at 11,520 megabits per second, 8,640 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 1,148 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Additionally, one of the 6 GHz bands can serve as a dedicated backhaul and the other can be used as an open network. This way, the backhaul performance between Deco units benefits, bringing the most stable and strongest network. And it also improves the overall Wi-Fi performance, even if you don't have Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices. The 4 bands feature 16 streams and deliver a total speed of 33 gigabits per second, with even more benefits from Wi-Fi 7, including a wider 320 MHz bandwidth, denser 4K QAM, and MLO that transmits more data simultaneously. Deco BE95 is 300% faster than the previous generation of the industry's fastest quad-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh, allowing you to have an unprecedented super-fast network experience, such as immersive real-time AR/VR activities. Wi-Fi 7 represents the 10G era, and the outstanding 10 gigabit wired connection gives you an unprecedented experience. Deco BE95 is also equipped with one 10 gigabits per second SFP fiber and RJ45 Ethernet combo port, and one 10 gigabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port, both with WAN/LAN auto-sensing. Among them is a single 10 gigabits per second SFP Plus slot for high bandwidth connectivity, converting fiber data to Ethernet cable data with an SFP module. This builds long-range point-to-point connections easily. Additionally, it is also equipped with 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ports, providing more flexibility for your wired connections. With all of this, we have whole home multi-gigabit connectivity, both wireless and wired. Speaking of whole home multi-gigabit, we conducted a series of tests with the 2-pack Deco BE95. This 5-bedroom villa is 2 stories at around 4.6 thousand square feet, with the interior made up of drywalls. This 2-pack Deco BE95 was tested with 10 gigabits per second wired backhaul and 4x4 multi-link operation compatible clients. From the speed heat map, we can see every room where a Deco is located is around speeds of 9 to 10 gigabits per second and gradually decreases with distance. Most of the villa is covered by 7 to 8 gigabits per second. Due to a large number of walls, the edge of the home receives around 5 to 6 gigabits per second. This is a whole home multi-gigabit Wi-Fi network. If you have trouble connecting your Deco BE95 with a wired backhaul, you can just use the wireless backhaul instead. We've also tested the whole home speed under wireless backhaul. Let's have a look. The first floor remains the same as the last tests, but due to the ceiling between the 2 floors, the BE95 at the center of the second floor is around 6.5 gigabits per second, and most of the house's speed can reach around 5 to 6.5. The whole home wireless speeds are slightly slower than the previous one, but still, it shows excellent results. The true whole home multi-gigabit connection is not just about wireless. With 2 10G WAN/LAN auto-sensing ports, Deco BE95 is able to reach 10 gigabit ISP service access. The other Ethernet ports can also be used as LAN ports connecting with devices. This way, whether wired or wireless, BE95 delivers whole home multi-gigabit connectivity. Enjoy smooth 8K streaming, immersive AR/VR gaming, and a blazing fast NAS server. This was just one test of our whole home Wi-Fi 7 systems coverage. Home networking performance may vary depending on the network speeds, fiber or Ethernet access, Wi-Fi interference, obstacles, walls, areas, and clients. If your house's interior contains brick, concrete, or metal panels, the wireless performance might not be as good as the one we tested. Luckily, since all Deco models work together, if you want more coverage, you only need to add more Deco units as needed to flexibly expand and adapt to the needs of different house types. So, if your home is larger than the one we tested, just add more Deco units to get better performance. In order to provide a more comprehensive reference to users, in the future, we'll provide more tests conducted in various types of houses and locations. For more choices, we are also releasing 2 other Wi-Fi 7 mesh systems, Deco BE85 and Deco BE65. Deco BE85 is a 12-stream Wi-Fi 7 mesh system with a rate of up to 22 gigabits per second and is equipped with two 10G ports for those who need 2.5 gigabit connections more than 10 gigabit. We have Deco BE65. Deco BE65 is designed for mid-end tri-band 2.5 gigabits per second multi-gigabit networking. It is equipped with four 2.5 gigabit RJ45 WAN LAN ports, breaking through the 1 gigabit bottleneck and driving your devices to peak performance. Its wireless speeds, up to 11 gigabits per second, are made up of three frequencies: 5,760 megabits per second on the 6 gigahertz band, 4,320 megabits on 5 gigahertz, and 574 on 2.4 gigahertz. Also, the USB 3.0 port enables easy media sharing and private cloud building. Lastly, BE65 is also compatible with Deco BE95 and Deco BE85. You're able to form a whole home multi-gigabit mesh network by connecting all Wi-Fi 7 Deco mesh products. We've also tested the speed and coverage performance of the 2-pack Deco BE65 under the same conditions as BE95, a 2-story 5-bedroom villa with drywall. This 2-pack Deco BE65 was tested with 2.5 gigabits per second wired backhaul and 2x2 MLO clients. As we can see from the heat map, most of the home is covered by 2.5 gigabit high-speed connections. The edge of the house also remained at around 2 gigabits per second. This is our Wi-Fi 7 Deco mesh system, a true whole home multi-gigabit mesh solution covering every corner of your home. How do we realize the true whole home multi-gig mesh Wi-Fi? Apart from Wi-Fi 7 technology and leveling up the hardware and specifications, TP-Link has been investing in developing the Deco system to provide the optimal mesh Wi-Fi experience. From the first generation of Deco, based on the Deco Mesh technology and software platform, TP-Link has built the Deco Mesh ecosystem version 3 step by step to reach the top. This is the pinnacle of mesh. There are 5 reasons why our mesh is top. 1. Our ultimate whole home multi-gigabit coverage. 2. Our intensive seamless roaming experience. 3. Our advanced IoT mesh. 4. Our diversified product lines. And 5. Easy management with the integrated Deco App version 3. Coverage has always been one of the major pain points mesh products aim to alleviate. Users often hate receiving no network in some corners of their homes, like washrooms, basements, garages, and backyards. Even with Wi-Fi connections, the signals are too weak to stay online. Deco BE95, based on the newly upgraded Deco System Platform version 3, with the latest and strongest Wi-Fi 7 and 10G ports, can give you ultra-high speed to the entire house without dead zones. No more searching around for signals or worrying about network drops. Flexible backhaul connection plays an important role in achieving whole home high-speed coverage, and a variety of different backhaul connections ensure the best transmissions between Deco units. From our very first Deco system through our self-developed technology, Deco was able to communicate with each unit simultaneously across different bands. And today, Deco is able to connect wireless and wired backhaul at the same time. And wired backhaul is not only just about Ethernet wired, but also power line wired. With the latest Wi-Fi 7 MLO technology, backhaul aggregation processing is transferred from the application layer to the bottom circuit layer, reducing the processing time and increasing the aggregation flow rate. This way, it greatly improves overall throughput and reduces latency, delivering broader coverage with more stable and reliable connections. Our Deco Ecosystem version 3 is not just about coverage, but also about the intensive, seamless roaming experience. Traditional mesh provides an uninterrupted streaming experience as you move throughout your signal coverage area. However, your network conditions can still be undermined by many other factors in a real environment, such as your router's placement, thick walls, or even a microwave. Armed with AI-driven mesh technology, Deco automatically learns the network environment, client quality, and user behaviors in your home. With sophisticated multi-factored algorithms, Deco customizes an ideal mesh roaming solution with one unified network, ensuring seamless streaming at the fastest possible speeds. We experimented with AI roaming technology, testing the actual network speeds of a mobile phone while roaming around a house. Without AI roaming technology, connections are not always the strongest when moving between two or more nodes. But with the optimization of the AI algorithms, the roaming experience is much smoother, and the overall Wi-Fi performance is greatly improved. Besides coverage and roaming, IoT mesh is also one of our highlights. Since the first generation of Deco, we have built an IoT ecosystem. Today, with the upgrade of Wi-Fi technology, our IoT ecosystem is getting more comprehensive. If you're a fan of IoT devices, our smart home mesh Wi-Fi is the best solution for you. Not only does it deliver ultra-fast Wi-Fi signals, but it also works as a hub to control all your smart home devices. This way, you don't need an additional hub. Simply enjoy the magic of your smart home in every room. TP-Link also offers Bluetooth onboarding, Wi-Fi onboarding, and the TP-Link Simple Setup function, or TSS. TSS detects your TP-Link smart home devices, including Tapo and Casa, and asks them to join the network. You're able to add your IoT devices effortlessly without a series of tedious configuration processes. TSS showcases its engagement in simplifying users' configuration and operating experience. This way, you're able to manage all your TP-Link smart home devices with just one Deco app. Our advanced IoT mesh is not just about TSS, but also Matter. Matter enables seamless communication among IoT devices across platforms, regardless of their manufacturer. We're one of the first companies to introduce Matter-certified products to the market following the debut of the Matter protocol in fall 2022. With the Matter protocol, Deco works as a central controller to manage all your Matter-certified devices. It allows you to access the devices in your local area network through the Deco app, even when your home goes offline. In the future, Deco will support the low-power and low-latency wireless mesh networking protocol Thread by inserting a USB dongle. And all of our Deco Wi-Fi 7 mesh products are equipped with a USB 3.0 port. This way, Deco is not only able to access smart home devices via Wi-Fi, but also via Thread. Besides our advanced IoT mesh, Deco Wi-Fi 6, 6E also provides solutions for all scenarios, and you can choose different Deco series or installation methods according to your demands. Now that Wi-Fi 7 is here, more products will be released for all new different demands, achieving what we call multi-scenario Deco Wi-Fi 7 mesh. As the most comprehensive home mesh solution, Deco Mesh provides solutions from indoors to outdoors, allowing you to stay online in the backyard or swimming pool. Deco not only provides networking indoors and outdoors, but also provides a variety of installation methods. For example, Deco X50 PoE lets you install, power, and access the internet exactly as you need. Place it on a tabletop or install it on a ceiling or wall with our adaptive accessories. What's more, you can even put your Deco X50 outdoor on a pole to save even more space. In addition to physical installation, Deco also provides solutions for different network demands. For example, if you have thick walls or floors within your home, a powerline mesh system is the best solution. Powerline technology uses your home's electrical wiring to create a stronger connection between Deco units, reducing the impact of walls, floors, and other obstacles on signals. Also, Deco provides multi-gig Ethernet access, fiber service access, 5G, 4G, 3G mobile access, and DSL access to meet different ISP service needs. Here's a brief overview of our current Deco ecosystem. The Deco line covers all bases. Each unit works together with the rest, forming one unified network to meet every need imaginable. With the latest Wi-Fi generation upgrades, whole home coverage, seamless roaming, and our IoT mesh have also been upgraded to a whole new level. Meanwhile, our easy-to-use integrated Deco app has upgraded its software system to version 3. Deco version 3. Simple, easy, yet powerful. The Deco app has accumulated up to 7 million downloads from day one to the present and reached a rating of 4.8 out of 5. The actual use and ratings of users affirm our product quality. Manage your Wi-Fi at home or away on the Deco app. See every connected device, prioritize your own, and set up a guest network. With Deco version 3, we have a brand new user interface, adopting a minimalist design to prioritize function and clarity. The use of a simple color scheme and generous white space creates a comfortable and reliable visual experience. In version 3, it makes great use of card tiles and micro-iterations to create an effective and playful user experience. The most used features are well displayed on cards, enabling users to access them easily with one tap. Deco app version 3 helps users monitor home network usage and ensure network security through an integrated dashboard. The dashboard layout is well crafted based on feature priority and user scenario. We think like users, and Deco app version 3 is designed with them in mind. One more thing needs emphasizing. As we mentioned previously, all 50 plus Deco models are compatible with each other and can work together. This way, you don't have to worry about getting rid of your existing Deco when replacing it with the new Wi-Fi 7 network. Essentially, all Deco models work together. Well, that's our Deco in the Wi-Fi 7 era. True whole home multi-gig mesh Wi-Fi with unparalleled mesh Wi-Fi experiences, powered by Wi-Fi 7 technology and Deco System version 3. Now, stepping into the Wi-Fi 7 era, Deco has formed a comprehensive home mesh solution, providing solutions from indoors to outdoors and flexible installation choices such as desktop, ceiling mounting, and wall mounting. Different practical network technologies are also included, such as PoE, Powerline, Smart Home Mesh, 5G access, and DSL access to meet various network demands. With Wi-Fi 7's coming, and our Deco router system's iterative upgrades, our security software HomeShield has also been upgraded to version 3, adding more features and 2 exclusive apps for comprehensive protection. Network security has always been important to us. With HomeShield, managing your family's internet has never been easier. Many potential risks can be controlled effectively. HomeShield is a built-in home networking protection kit that covers all security scenarios. With HomeShield Security, safe Wi-Fi 7 experiences will enhance your smart living. What does this new and powerful HomeShield have in store? For starters, it covers all security scenarios with its network security, parental controls, QoS, and comprehensive reports. With HomeShield, it's designed to protect comprehensively, protect all devices, and protect everywhere. Besides features like blocking websites and controlling online time allowances, HomeShield provides VPN clients for you to establish secure connections. Next, HomeShield protects all your devices, including IoT. All your home network devices are well protected under HomeShield once they're connected to your gateway. Last but not least, HomeShield maintains its safeguards away from home, protecting your devices everywhere. So, let's see what HomeShield can do. First up is network security, which protects your online safety. When you're surfing online, web protection safeguards your family by intelligently preventing access to malicious URLs. What's more, intrusion prevention identifies and blocks potential threats to keep your network safe. When you're watching YouTube or browsing websites, AdBlocker blocks annoying ads and pop-ups and prevents data tracking to enjoy safer and ad-free online experiences. Are you still worried about exposing yourself or being tracked? When it comes to protecting yourself and your business online, you may have looked into private browsing or choosing a VPN. With HomeShield, you are able to browse privately under a more secure network. Another highlight of HomeShield is its newly upgraded parental controls. We've added quite a few amazing features based on the last version. Worried that your kids are secretly using game apps behind your back? Today, with HomeShield parental controls, parents can block thousands of apps individually or by category to better manage children's online experience. Besides blocking apps, HomeShield's comprehensive parental controls further manage YouTube restrictions, safe search, and more. This lets you know your children are safe while they're having fun online. In addition to the features we've already mentioned, HomeShield parental controls help parents foster healthy online habits for their children. Age-level filters and online time limits provide your family with personalized and appropriate internet access. With a detailed report of your home network, you can check the sites your children visit and how much time they spend on each. Besides all these rich features of HomeShield, which comprehensively protect your online network, you can also manage all your devices, including IoT, with HomeShield protection. With its advanced DPI, it improves its identification capability. Simply configure your gateway and achieve whole home network security. HomeShield identifies connected devices and immediately begins monitoring their security performance once they join the network. HomeShield examines your network by scanning and identifying potential risks, thus improving your network security. With that, HomeShield ensures all of your devices are secure. Last but not least, HomeShield not only covers all of your devices, but also covers all scenarios, from home to on the go. HomeShield now includes 2 new apps to protect your device's security and your kids. Unlike most network security services that only work at home, HomeShield maintains its safeguards away from home. With Norton 360 and KidShield, mobile devices remain secure, and your kids stay under parental control on the go. This takes HomeShield to a whole new level. Through Norton 360, your devices and personal information are well protected anytime and anywhere with antivirus, online threat protection, firewall, secure VPN client, and privacy monitor. Through the exclusive KidShield app, your little ones stay digitally protected away from home, even if they aren't connected to your home Wi-Fi. With KidShield, features we mentioned before like app blocking, YouTube restrictions, safe search, web filtering, and online time limits are included. You'll also enjoy new and exclusive features like system management, screen time monitoring, and location management. For example, parents can further manage payment methods, preventing their kids from making purchases online. For app installment, parents are able to stop their kids from installing new apps. Also, they can monitor their kids' screen time for safer and better online experiences. Besides all of these, most importantly, KidShield adds location management to further protect your kids. Let's take a closer look at location management. As you can see, parents can monitor their kids' live GPS locations to know where their kids are at any time. What's more, parents can set geofencing and get alerts when kids are away from the set boundary. With these 2 apps, devices remain secure and your kids are under parental control, even on the go. To sum up, we once again emphasize the highlights of HomeShield. It provides a series of services for you to protect all your devices comprehensively, with various features at home or on the go. With HomeShield, safer Wi-Fi 7 internet experiences bring more happiness to your smart living. I'm so excited about the latest Wi-Fi 7 router, Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 7, and HomeShield version 3, which focus on providing an extraordinary network experience to home users. While for the internet service provider markets and enterprise business markets, TP-Link is also releasing Wi-Fi 7 products to offer better Wi-Fi experiences. Aginet is TP-Link's sub-brand dedicated to supporting internet service providers. It is committed to providing flexible products, agile and pragmatic solutions, and incomparable services. Aginet stems from TP-Link's commitment to offering a highly agile network solution to service providers to match their ever-changing markets. The new ISP Wi-Fi 7 series products implement Aginet's three core concepts: reliable, flexible, connected. We believe that when Aginet and providers come together, the best Wi-Fi 7 experiences will be unlocked. This is especially true with our 5G Wi-Fi 7 products. Tapping into the power of 5G, we're combining Wi-Fi 7 and 5G technology to accelerate speeds. Like with our 5G BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 router NB610V. Extraordinary network experiences are yours to have. We have also made major innovations in XGS-PON products with the BE22000 tri-band XGS-PON VoIP router XGB830V and the BE11000 tri-band XGS-PON VoIP router XGB630V. Both take the lead in combining Wi-Fi 7 with XGS-PON technology, which is the road to future networking. We've also brought other new Wi-Fi 7 products, which include two Wi-Fi 7 routers, EB810V and EB610V, and two whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 systems, HB810 and HB610. We are constantly refining the Aginet solution, which brings us to an important element of the entire solution, TAUC, which stands for the TP-Link Aginet Unified Cloud. As the next generation of Wi-Fi management, TAUC offers the TR369 USP cloud server, carrier-grade TR369 CPE, a customized mobile app, and tailor-made API services for our ISP customers to form the foundation of our TAUC solutions. The TAU solution has 6 key features: the use of industry standards, unified cloud management, zero-touch deployment, near real-time troubleshooting, agile tasks, and open API integration. We trust that ISPs can easily reduce operational costs and gain maximum profits with a highly powerful and flexible TAUC solution. We offer innovative technology, flexible products, management solutions, and incomparable services to empower ISPs and provide better user experience to end users around the globe. We're also committed to providing professional Omada solution for SMB and enterprise clients. Based on Wi-Fi 7, we're introducing the new Omada EAP 780 and EAP 770 to better meet the high demands of business clients for network equipment stability, reliability, and security. More than just products, we're offering a complete one-stop Omada software-defined networking solution for business clients with not only access points, but also switches and routers in hospitality, education, retail, office, and more. With scenario-based products, the Omada SDN solution and enterprise-level Omada Pro SDN solution delivers advanced features to enhance your business, such as wireless intrusion detection and wireless intrusion prevention systems, AI anomaly detection, IoT security, smart antennas, and more. If you're interested in Aginet or Omada and Omada Pro, please contact our specialized sales staff for details. We'll provide professional support resources and extensive training, such as TPNA and TPNP, to empower your business.
Simple to set up and use, great coverage, and it's
quality
secure.
and connection.
Overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. It does what I wanted to do.
It's
Very
super
securely.
easy to install.
Well, this is the first stage of TP-Link's Wi-Fi 7 products. TP-Link is now the first vendor to release a complete line of home and enterprise Wi-Fi 7 products that provides reliably smart connections. For Wi-Fi 7 routers, we have 3 models: Archer B550, Archer B800, and Archer B900, ranging from B9300 to B24000. They are redefining Wi-Fi routers with brand new designs and powerful performance. Archer B900 with quad-band Wi-Fi speed up to 24 gigabits per second, 2 10 gigabit ports, and 4 2.5 gigabit ports starts at $699.99 in the United States. Pre-orders begin December 31st, 2022, and will be available during the first quarter of 2023 in the United States. We also noticed the specific networking needs of gamers and provided a stellar Wi-Fi 7 gaming router, Archer G800. It offers up to 19 gigabits per second of tri-band Wi-Fi 7, dual 10 gigabit ports, and brand new game acceleration functions, bringing true 10G, true acceleration, and true gaming. Expected soon in 2023. For the Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 7 system, there's Deco B65, Deco B85, and Deco B95, covering rates from B11,000 to B33,000. These Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 7 products provide a true whole home multi-gig to gigabit plus mesh Wi-Fi and perfectly meet your networking needs of multi-gig ISP bandwidth access and multi-gig LAN connectivity. Among them, Deco B95 2-pack, a BE33000 quad-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system with its awesome set of features, will be available starting at $1199.99 in the United States. Deco B85 2-pack, a B22000 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, starts at $999.99 in the US. You can begin ordering on December 31st, 2022, and they will be available in the first quarter of 2023, same as Archer B900. Do note, there may be changes in the wireless speed and specifications of the products due to different regulations in other countries and regions. Please refer to the local official website or product packaging for the final product information, price, and release date. For the internet service providers markets, we're also releasing multiple Aginet Wi-Fi 7 products to offer better Wi-Fi experiences, including 5G Wi-Fi 7 and XGS-PON Wi-Fi 7 routers. The Aginet solution and the included TAUC help reduce operational costs and gain maximum profits for ISPs. For Omada Enterprise Wi-Fi 7, we've unveiled 2 access points. With enterprise-level Wi-Fi functions and centralized management capabilities, they break through the boundaries of your business. We are excited that you are joining us in stepping into a new era together. We look forward to seeing what our users will do with all these incredible products. We're creating a lifestyle that is simple, smart, and connected for everyone. We're aspiring to deliver reliability in everything we do. Remember that these are TP-Link's Wi-Fi 7 products at the first stage. More will be coming soon. Thank you again for joining us, and have a nice day.